grinding your coffee just before brewing is a must. But how do you actually grind? Flipping the switch on an expensive electric grinder or cranking a hand grinder for precision? Why should you even need to choose? Meet ARCO, bridging the gap between the luxury of an electric grinder and the freedom of a precision hand grinder. ARCO's revolutionary system lets you dial your brew all the way from ibrik to cold brew. Consistency is the key to great coffee. Fine and coarse particles in the same grind will kill your flavors. ARCO breaks the beans into thousands of uniform particles. That's what makes the difference. We have combined smart engineering and premium materials found in professional grinders. The result is a sturdy, precise, and powerful grinder to handle the toughest beans, no matter how you crank it.
ARCO is built to give you freedom to grind coffee at home or on the go, professionally. An engineering innovation with goat story design touch. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. We welcome you to back this project and change the way you grind forever.